This is a second Maslow video. The first time we looked at it, saw that this is not trapezoidal. You can see from putting it to a square, sorry, it's not square, it's trapezoidally skewed. You can see from putting it to the square how far off it is. But that's not the only problem. There's a piece that fits into it, and the piece that fits into it is identical in size. At most, it's a 32nd of an inch off in the original design, probably closer to a 64th or something, but look how well this matches up here. Doesn't match up at all. And the third piece was also matched again within a 32nd of an inch. And look what happens here. It fits here, but it's shorter there. We go over here and look how far off it is. This is like at least a quarter of an inch, probably more. But these pieces are all supposed to fit together. And I checked the design and they're all really, really tight. They may be as tight as a 1,000th of an inch tight on Inkscape, but they're at least a quarter of an inch off there. That piece fits in there like it's supposed to, but only after a lot of extra sanding. It's supposed to be 5/8 versus a quarter. This is a this is a 1/2 inch, and this hole was cut as a 5/8, but it didn't fit until we did lots of sanding, probably, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch or something. It was ridiculous to get it to fit. And then it also doesn't fit. This length here is not accurate. If you check it with the measurements on the original drawing, it's not the same length, and so that doesn't fit either when we put all of this together.